In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your app using Hostinger Horizons. Now, whether you're just getting started with deployment or you're looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your Hostinger Horizons dashboard. If you haven't done this already, open your browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once there, find the login section and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can reset it right there. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard, where all your projects and settings are centrally located. Once you're comfortably logged in, navigate over to the option to create a new project. This is an exciting step because it means you're gearing up to bring your app to life. Click on Create New Project. You'll then need to link your GitHub repository to this new project. Your repository holds all the code and files necessary for your app, so this link is crucial. Enter the required GitHub credentials and select the correct repository you need for this particular deployment. Make sure it's the correct one by double-checking the details, as this will ensure a smoother deployment process. Moving on, we need to configure those all-important build settings. This is where you determine how your app gets built and what environment it runs in. Specify which framework your app is using. Hostinger supports a variety of popular frameworks, so you should be covered. Next, you'll define the build commands. These are the specific instructions that tell the server how to assemble your app. If you're unsure what to include here, consult your app's documentation or consider doing a bit of research on best practices for your particular framework. Now comes the most exciting part, deploying your app with just one click. Hostinger makes this incredibly straightforward. Simply find the deploy button and click it. The platform will take care of the rest, setting up everything according to the settings you've just specified. This feature is particularly powerful because it reduces human error and saves you a lot of time. As your app is deploying, you'll want to monitor the deployment status closely. The Hostinger Horizons dashboard provides real-time feedback showing you each stage of the process. This is useful for troubleshooting any potential issues that might arise. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a status update indicating success. Finally, you'll be able to view your live app URL. This is the address that anyone on the internet can use to access your app. It's the culmination of all your hard work. So go ahead, share it with friends, colleagues, or whoever needs to see it. And there you have it, a fully deployed live app with Hostinger Horizons. Thanks for watching and happy coding.